Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. In the last class, we introduced the new number 1000. We have learned how to read and write 4-digit numbers. In our daily life, we often see 4-digit numbers. I was told to find it in the last class. At what point have you found that the 4-digit numbers come to our daily life? As you have seen, Hadi has found a 4-digit numbers in everyday life. When he opened his father's phone, he found that the pattern was 4-digit numbers. Calendar, on the father's phone, on the lock, everything is 4 digits. Adi was surprised to find that his father's vehicle number also 4 digits. Adi remembered that when he went with his father to the ATM counter, the PIN number he saw there was 4 digits. When he saw 2000 rupees in his father's hand, he realized that this was 4 figure. The price of a new sofa bought at home is 4-digit number. Children, sometimes more 4-digit numbers can be seen in our everyday life. Then let us play with numbers today. Children, some numbers are here: 3333 and 3334. Here, fill in the numbers in order. Okay, let us check the numbers. Children, you have to look the last digit of the each number. Look here, we have written some continuous numbers. Let us move on the next one. Here are the numbers 1251 and 1252. Okay, let us check other continuous numbers. Here we fill these boxes up to 1257. Children, some numbers are here. Fill in the numbers in order up to 1030. Are you ready? Okay, let us check the numbers one by one. Children, look here. 1029. Let us check the last two digits. The next number 1030. Children, one more example. Here are the numbers 2225 and 2226. Let us find the other four continuous numbers. We filled numbers up to 2230. Let us observe the last two digits. Children, next let us do number line. Okay, look at the picture. Fill in the missing numbers on the number line. Here the first number 1460. Let us check other missing numbers. Here we can see some continuous numbers from 1460 to 1468. Next one, here we have to fill four missing numbers. We start from 2735. Look here, 2739. Next number 2740. Here we change last two digits. one simple number line also. We can start from 9304 to 9312. Here 9309 after 9310. Here last digit is 9. The next number 9310. Okay, next number line. Here we can see 5498 and 5499. Here 5499. You have to observe this last 3 digit 499. Then next number 500. Just observe these numbers. Look here, first number 3009. Then we can check the last digit 9. Then after 9, 10. Then next number 3010. Then second one 2649. Here we can check the last 2 digit 49. Then after 49, 50. 2650. Then third one, here we can check last 3 digit 299. We all know after 299, 300. Here the number 6300. Children, let us do skip counting numbers. Let us start from skip count forward. Here the first one, skip count by 2. Are the numbers 2432 and 2434. When we add 2 to the first number 2432, we get 2434. Okay, let us read these answers. 2432, 2434, 2436, 2438, 2440 and 2442. Look here, last digit 2468. These numbers are called, yes, even numbers. Second one, skip count by 5. Here, when we add 5 to the first number 6545, we get the number 6550. Here, we keep adding 5 each time. Okay, let us check other continuous 4 numbers. Look here, last 2 digits 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay, let us do third one. Here we can take skip count by 10. Here 5520, 5530. Children, it is very easy, right? Okay, let us check the answers one by one. Here, look the last 2 digits 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Let us move to next one, skip count by 3. When we add 3 to the first number 4563, we get second number 4566. We add 3 to the second number, we get third number 4569. Children, here we keep adding 3. Children, here you have to check the last 2 digits. Next, skip count by 100. Here, when we add 100 to the first number 5610, we get second number 5710. Here we keep adding 100 each times. Here you have to observe last 3 digits. Skip count by counting backward. Okay, let us count backward. 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000. Here the first one, skip count by 10. Let us check the differences of the last 2 digits. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. Next one, skip count by 5. Here are the numbers 1980, 1975, 1970. Children, you can see the differences of the last 2 digits. Okay, let us check 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50. Okay, next one, skip count by 2. Here the first number 4418. Here 4416, 4414, 4412, 4410, 4408 and 4406. Here we can see the differences of last 2 digits. One simple activity also. Just observe these numbers, then we can fill in the box. Yes, skip count by 5. Let us go to the next one. Yes, skip count by 4. Children, do you understand this? Okay, just rearrange some 4-digit numbers. Children, today we have learned how to write numbers in order, number line, skip counting forward and backward. Okay children, you have to study this well. We will meet again. Thank you.